welcome to your wedding. Let's take a breath.
Yes.
Pause.
Says my beautiful Tara, I still remember the first day I met you. Despite how conceited and pretentious you seemed, that sunny afternoon, I thought you were the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. I believe that finding true love has no set time, and I want to thank you for coming into my life when you did. From the moment you let me hold your hand, you have become the most important person in my life. You arrived and you turned my world upside down, and I don't have enough words to express how much I adore you.
Today is our 365th date.
1 year.
I'm so thankful we found one another. You filled a void in my heart that I didn't know I had. You calmed my heart, lifted my worries, and promised me you were never going to leave.
I promise I will be here when you need me most, because I want for us to be the best for each other, to be the best of friends, and to be happy. So let me fill your face with kisses for as long as my lips can pucker. Pinch your booty as long as my fingers have strength, and caress and hold you in my arms for as long as I can.
After the date, I called my mom to tell her about my date. I told her how kind you were and how thoughtful you were, how attentive you were, how you made me laugh, and how you put me at ease. You are everything a true gentleman should be. Today and every day after, I will spend forever loving you the way you deserve to be loved.
So I promise you this, I will always love you as my partner, my best friend, and my wife.
In front of these witnesses and in my presence, it is my great pleasure to pronounce that you are now husband and wife. You can kiss.
Kisses.